Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add a perfect circle in Paint. So if you want to create this shape, you need to go to 2D shapes and then you need to select this one icon. This icon is circle. So if you want to add a perfect circle, you need to press and hold Shift from your keyboard, and after that you need to press and hold left mouse button. Then your circle will be created perfectly. So in this way you can create it in Paint 3D. And now you can modify the fill. You can change it from known to solid, and you can choose the color that you want to use. For example, I select here black, or maybe I will change it to red. You can modify thickness if you want. Everything depends on your preferences. And of course you can modify sticker opacity. Very interesting option is this one option. You can change it to gloss, dull metal or polished metal. For example, I select here dull metal, and you can rotate this object, flip this object or make it 3D. So it is how it works. If I helped you to use it, remember to like this video and subscribe my channel, and please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.